Greetings to everyone. Uh, we we find it very important that on every matter that we have been through, we must make certain follow up over it. And there has been at Madlanga Commission a long-standing and running matter in regard to the name of Julius Malema being named or implicated. And as you can see on my previous short videos, I did dwell on Julius Malema being named. Just as much as I've been dwelling into his name when it was negatively named, I find it appropriate to be naming it now when it is clear that he has been cleared. And let us go and listen and watch on my account at Ramasene how we analyze and show how it ended up unfolding about the name of Julius Malema. And I'm sorry there's a rain outside and the thunderstorm. But let us go and watch and see how do we analyze the end of everything at the end of the day and whether we have honest a summary of the events or we are just dealing with everything because we exposing our opponents or enemies and then we fail to exercise an honest approach on the matter. Thanks for watching the video. Let us meet on to my main account. Thank you.